Hi, good day everyone. This is Teacher Maritess Baluyot of Abra High School from TLE Department. It is my honor and pleasure to be with you today as I impart a simple skill that makes your time worthwhile while spending this quarantine. We stay home, stay safe while learning, and at the same time, you are earning. Today, I will teach you how to make a paper flower. Alright, find a place where you are comfortable as you watch this video. You can save this video for your reference. So are you ready? Let's watch and learn. Flower making for money bouquet. Use papers. You can use newspaper also. Glue. Coconut midrib, scissors, pencil, and ruler. You also need bamboo sticks and Chinese papers. You can also use Chinese papers. The first step, you have to measure the paper. About the size of the ruler. Then cut the paper according to the size that you have measured. Okay, after cutting, you have to set aside and you have also to cut the Chinese paper according to the size of the bond paper or the used newspaper or any used paper may do. Using the coconut midrib, we have to roll over the paper with the coconut midrib, then place a glue. Be sure that the paper should not stick on the coconut midrib. After rolling, you have to remove the coconut midrib. Now, you're going to produce first or to roll first all the papers. This time, we're going to cover the rolled papers with the Chinese papers. we are done with our paper sticks, and the same with the buds of the paper flower. Now we're going to weave. So we need first to have 7 sticks for a petal. So for each petal you need 7 sticks. Okay, follow the step. You need to, you have to fold. Then we will form the petals by weaving. Okay, get the 3rd stick and then weave like over 1 under 1. Yan, idaganan natin yung nasa ibabaw. Then i-fold natin yung nasa right sa taas. Then yung nasa left naman ilagay natin sa ilalim. Like that. Ayan. Tapos, kunin natin yung pang-apat. The same, daganan mo yung mga naka-usli. I-lift mo naman yung mga nadaganan. So, it's like over 1, under 1 weaving. Ayan. And then, pagkatapos nyan, i-lift na naman natin yung nasa ibaba, pataas, sa right, and then sa left, sa ilalim naman. Yan. Yan. Natin yung pang-5 stick at gawin ulit natin yung process na ginawa natin. Weaving over 1 under 1. Gamit tayo ng tape para ma-hold yung mga sticks. Ayan, meron na tayong 5 petals to make a flower. Ngayon naman, i-assemble na natin yung flower. Kunin natin yung buds kanina, mga buds. Pwede natin lagyan ng 1, 2, depende sa gusto ninyo. Lagay natin siya sa bamboo stick. Natin ngayon yung mga petals. Yan, you can have 3, 4, 5, depende sa gusto ninyong number of petals to form. Secure natin ng tape para hindi siya matanggal. Ngayon naman, i-prepare natin yung leaves para sa flower natin. So, the same process din sa paggawa natin ng mga petals. Pareho rin yan. Ayan. I-cover natin ng Chinese paper yung stem para mas maganda. Ayan, nakagawa na tayo ng mga iba't ibang flowers. Depende nga pa sa color gusto ninyo. Tayo natin. Ngayon naman mag-assemble tayo for the money bouquet. Kikilan natin ng mga bills. Yan, i-arrange natin parang bouquet. Yung mga ginamit ko dito, mga recycled materials lahat, except yung Chinese paper and glue. So, itong money bouquet na to, if you're going to arrange like this, you can sell this around 300 or 200 pesos, depende sa nagusto ninyo. Di ba? Ang ganda na. Pwede na natin pang-gift ito sa ating mga mother. Tuwang-tuwa sila dyan. You can sell these flowers by piece or by bouquet. So this big one, you can sell it around 20 to 25 pesos. And this little one, you can sell it around 10 pesos. Okay, so if you want to make money bouquet, you can arrange it and then you can sell it around 200 to 300 pesos. So at least you are earning, and at the same time you are taking care of the Mother Earth. Now, it's your turn to make your paper flower. Please comment down below all the items that you have made. I hope you make use of the quarantine time more fruitful and profitable. I hope you have learned something from this video, and I hope you have to share also the skills that you have learned today with your friends, your families, and your loved ones. Thank you for watching.